Here with Mr. Ryan Pretorius to talk Olympic sports. From South Africa, you room for Phelps?
Of course. I mean, he was swimming against a friend of mine, Roland Skumon, and Roland and Lyndon Ferns and two other of their teammates actually won the 4x100 freestyle relay a few years ago, and obviously America came and smashed that world record now, so it's good to watch them compete and what have you, and I'm behind South Africa, but Phelps is just phenomenal, man. I consider myself an American now, so I support them too. Yeah, Christy Coventry, yeah. Actually, I was born in Zimbabwe, and I moved to South Africa when I was 3, and obviously, she's got a bit of an accent still, but she went to Auburn when she graduated high school, and she's got a bit of an American accent now, but very impressed with what she's done. 2 silvers, I think. We enjoy the swimming. There's gymnastics, which Toma Maholder just loves, you know. He's always critiquing everyone, and he enjoys that, but I like the swimming right now, and I'm excited to watch the track when I get a bit of time.
If you were an Olympic athlete, what sport would you be playing?
I don't know. If there was a sport where I could kick, probably that, but I don't know, maybe soccer, and if I ran track, probably the 800 meters. I thought I could run back in the day, but I don't think I've got the body type anymore. Be more sprinting.
The USA. Yeah. What do you say in South Africa?
Probably the same, USA.
Yeah.
Now that I'm an American, I see myself that way. In South Africa, we don't really have any chance like that. Just go Bokke or something like that.
Go Bucko?
Bokke, which is like Springboks shorted.
Go Bucko.
Yeah,
Appreciate
Bokke.
it, man.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.